Hi, I'm Trina, Director of Building Better, and I'm going to talk about why modern methods of construction, or MMC, are absolutely vital for driving economic growth. I'm going to dive straight in, and the first point I want to make is that the construction sector's low productivity makes the sector's output hard to scale up. Now, the construction sector has the lowest productivity of 30 of the UK's key industry. In fact, it comes in only above agriculture and farming in levels of digitization. Traditional building techniques haven't changed meaningfully in over 100 years, which makes it hard to maintain, let alone scale up, the volume of new homes needed. And the construction skills crisis continues to worsen. Research published in 2019 found only a third of workers retiring every year are replaced by new apprentices. And this brings me to my second point. House building is stuck in a boom bust cycle, and that's a very strong disincentive to invest in new technology. A study by Cast and Harlow in 2020 found that the sector's productivity could be increased by between 5 to 10 times through higher investment into R&D and new tech. And in 2022, the modular side of the market accounted for about 30% of all R&D spending in the construction of buildings. But it's also this side of the market that has been hugely affected by the latest construction downturn, causing many high-profile insolvencies. And that's massively impacted confidence in the sector too. But long-term, stable investment into social housing will provide the confidence and certainty needed to invest in MMC. And this is my third point. There is a natural fit between delivering high-quality social homes at volume and speed and the method in which they are delivered. That is, in a highly controlled factory setting that requires continuous throughput. Creating the conditions for stability in delivering new social housing will provide the confidence and certainty to invest in MMC. And this brings me to my final point. Investment into MMC will deliver productivity gains across house building. A Science and Technology Select Committee found that increasing the use of MMC would boost productivity by up to 70%. And not only that, it would reduce the number of skilled workers needed to meet a house building target by nearly 20%. UK-grown manufacturers invest in staff development, attract a more diverse workforce, and contribute to the economic growth of their regions. And most MMC homes are fabric first, so they use high-performing, long-lasting materials for maximum insulation and ventilation, which means they need less energy to run. In fact, Make UK reckons modular homes cost 55% less to heat than the average UK home and 32% less than traditional new builds. And that's a saving of up to £800 a year for a three-bedroom family home. And it's not just less energy to run the home. In a 2022 university study, embodied carbon emissions reduced by over a third compared to traditional builds through quick, precise manufacturing processes, wider use of recycled materials, minimal waste, reduced lorry deliveries, and less travel for workers. I want to conclude by stating the obvious. MMC is not a silver bullet, and it's not going to work in every situation, and it's definitely not without its risks. But clearly, it has to be part of the solution. MMC is not just a more efficient way to build homes, it's a smarter way to drive economic growth. And with the right support and policies, it can be a game changer. Thanks for watching.